Welcome back to Glow Mind, where stories touch your heart and help you learn English beautifully. Today's story is called The Little Cloud Who Learned to Rain. High up in the sky, there was a small white cloud named Lumi. Lumi wanted to be the brightest cloud in the sky, always happy, always smiling. Whenever the other clouds cried and made rain, Lumi said, "No, no, I am fine. I do not need to cry. I am strong." But deep inside, Lumi was heavy, not with water, but with feelings she never let go of. She watched birds fly freely. She watched the sun go down softly, and still she held everything inside. One evening, the warm golden sun noticed Lumi looking dim and tired. The sun gently asked, "Lumi, why are you holding everything inside?" Lumi whispered, "Because strong clouds do not cry. If I cry, everyone will think I am weak." The sun smiled softly and said, "Crying is not weakness. Just like rain helps the earth bloom, tears help the heart breathe." Lumi didn't know what to say. No one had ever told her that before. That night, the sky was quiet. Lumi floated along, feelings heavier than ever. She remembered the sun's words, so she took a small breath and let one tiny raindrop fall. Then another and another. Soon, Lumi began to cry, softly at first, then fully. But something magical happened. As her tears touched the earth, flowers began to bloom, grass grew greener, and a soft rainbow formed across the sky. The world didn't laugh at her. The world glowed because of her. Lumi finally understood. Crying didn't make her weak. It made her lighter, softer, and real. From that day on, Lumi didn't hide her feelings anymore. When she was happy, she shined bright. When she was sad, she let the rain fall gently. She learned that every feeling deserves space. And sometimes the most beautiful things grow after the rain.